amazing toy fans, this time I have for you the all new Series 11 Moshi Monsters blind bags. I do have 4 of these surprise blind bags to open, all new Series 11, 2 figures and collector's card included inside. Here are your new characters to add to your Moshi Moshling collection. Let's open bag number 1 and see who we get inside. Here is the collector's card, and here is the free rocks code. Our first Moshling is Casey. Our second Moshling is Benedict. Let's go for bag number 2. We have the same collector's card, and here is your free rocks code. We have Casey once again, and we have the very cute Snuggy. Time for bag number 3. 3 in a row, we have the same collector's card once again, and there is your free rocks code. This time we get Troy, and we get the very cute Mitzi. Okay, so our final bag, number 4. Let's hope for something good. At last we get a different collector's card. This time it is Snuggy. And there is your code. We get another Troy. And we get the amazing looking Freddie. So there you go, the all new Series 11 of Moshi Monsters. Nothing really special this time, but maybe I will try again. Well guys, thanks for watching this review, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.